So we are in Tampa, Florida, and what did we do yesterday?
We got rained on. That was super fun.
And when she says got rained on, it wasn't just getting rained on.
It was cats and dogs, let's be honest.
It was hurricane, whatever hurricane's about to hit Louisiana right now. It was parts of that. She got some cool video of it, which you guys already saw. So today we're gonna go eat some hot chow for breakfast. Then we're gonna go to Lazy Days?
Yes.
Lazy Days. And after Lazy Days,
We're gonna Ocala.
we got one RV in Lazy Days that we want to look at. And then after that we're going to Ocala. Boom. Alright, see you there. Huh? Videoing. So what? That dude has a fanny pack on. Alright, here at Lazy Days, we're gonna go look at this cyclone. And then after we look at the cyclone, we're gonna hop on a road and go to Ocala and look at a 413. So what? I'm just looking around. Service pavilion. Okay. Lazy Day Boulevard. Open range. That is a big fifth wheel. There it is. 2018 Heartland Cyclone 4200. All right. So it's got those cut edges for tight turns so it doesn't hit the back of your truck. Yeah. There's your basement. She wastes no time. You've got a side thing, weather guard. Ooh, nice and cool in here. Man, there's a lot of room in this one. It smells terrible.
Smells brand new, come on.
So this goes out to the side deck. So let's see. A lot of cabinet spaces. Tons of counter space. These things are always a lot bigger when you first come inside of it. There's your long couch. Line comes out. There's the loft. Oh yeah, this is a really big loft too, Charlotte. This is the same size as a 413. This is your pantry.
Spices or something?
Yeah, whatever. You want to crawl up there and see? That's the same size as the 413. You got the residential fridge. There's that. Here's the garage. I think it's a 13-foot garage. So you got a full second bath right there. And then this has got the big suite too, Charlotte.
I know, I already saw it.
Where you put the washer and dryer in here? Yeah. That's where your TV slides in and out. I don't know how it. It's nice. There's the bathroom. Really big bathroom. Space. Alright, Optimum RV. Look at this Road Warrior 413. Right?
Mm-hmm.
That's her ride-in face.
Funny face.
Here's the 430. This is the one that's got the separate bedroom, or the separate room for the...
This is with the lots of couch space that we wanted.
Yeah.
This is actually bigger seating than I thought.
So it's got
With all these
the
kids.
twin size loft. This is the 430 model. Got a lot of extra room in here
I love
too.
this. I mean, this would be taken up by a washer.
So these flip
So
to
it
make
might
into
be
that bed.
kind of interesting trying to figure out a way to open this when there's a hookup right here. Oh, it opens right there.
Door, sink, half bath, washer, dryer.
Yeah, this is the room.
Residential fridge. A little bit.
This is a huge big one.
Yeah. Same closet setup
I like
as
this.
the other one.
Set up way better. You put pots and pans and glasses and stuff up there.
It's the same setup as the other one.
Okay.
But we have enough room in the garage to get that those storage things that we looked at the one place.
Yeah, we just get the cubbies because this would be perfect for their clothes.
You got a lot of extra storage up there too.
Their clothes anyway.
Cool. So this is a 430. What do you
It
think?
doesn't have extra space right here. I still like all of this.
Yeah, I do too.
It's got a lot of space.
All right, 413. Let's find it.
Especially-
All right, this is the one we want.
Yep.
You ready?
Yep. Let's do this.
You do the honors.
Super.
This is a Heartland Road Warrior 413. All right, this is outside the 413. So plug-ins, cable, your hot water heater bypass valve, battery port, plug up cable. Let's see. Propane. It's got a little magnet that holds it, which is nice. Sure where your generator is under there. Comes with one of those 5500 Cummins. Your auto level switch right underneath there. It's your other side of your basement. Here's your gray tank and holding tank. Those are your dump levers right there. So there's gray tank number 2. It's where you fill up for your fuel, and this is your fuel nozzle. And let's see, I'm not sure if the Furrion camera is up there or not. It does not look like. Maybe that is the Furrion camera. This is a new one. I don't know. And then here's your door for your. I think this is it. I think this is the model we want, which makes me happy.
Wow, that's a lot longer than I thought it was.
Oh yeah. Way more room. This is a 2019, I believe.
Huge amount of
Alright.
space.
So you walk in right here to the right. You've got
Holy cow, is it
Charlotte.
huge in the bathroom?
Come look at all this storage space right next to the door.
I will in a second.
You'll do it now.
No.
So you got all that storage space right there. She's back there talking to herself. I'm talking to a camera, so that makes me not crazy. Fireplace, your entertainment center. So Bluetooth, HDMI, application ready, USB. There's one you can throw DVDs in and stuff. And these are, I'm pretty sure these TVs are the like ones that are specifically designed for RVs when they're shaking and all that. So you got extra storage up there, so you can put
Like this for the kids.
stuff. Yeah, here's that storage I was talking about right next to the door.
Oh yeah, is that long enough for like walking?
All right,
Oh yeah, this would be great for
cabinet space right there.
human stuff.
You got extra storage up there. Here's your pantry. Nice pantry. I like it.
Oh my goodness, so pretty.
Microwave. Let's look at the size of the oven. Small. Not gonna be having anybody over for Thanksgiving, but
There's double beds up.
all that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You got a little plug in
If you wanted to.
right there. Under the sink. Residential fridge. Here's your. Hey, sit down and.
So the kids got older, and the extra kid go up here.
Oh, so you got USB chargers on the couch, Charlotte, right here. So you can sit there and just be a real lazy turd.
I know, right? Camping, it's really glamping.
All right, and then hallway closet.
Oh my word! This is a huge amount of space. This is perfect.
She's talking to herself again. She's a weirdo. Oh my goodness. It's got a full bath. Bleh. This is nice. Camera that I'm having a conversation with. There's that. There's your little thermostat on the side, so you can control it from the bed. Plenty of space in there. Let's check this loft out.
So they can soak too easy to come in, wash their hands. There's a bath in here. It's huge. You can put 2 kids up there. There's 2 beds.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That's impressive. That's plenty of space for Heidi.
Yeah, and if another kid wants to go up there, it's fine. Like if she has someone spending the night.
Okay.
And this has enough room for like a rod for them to play. Their stuff right here to store toys.
Oh yeah, that's tons of room. We can put the storage thing right there.
Too small.
Here's your bathroom. Oh wow, this is a bigger bathroom too. There's no light, so it's kind of hard to.
This is perfect for the kids. There's plenty of windows in here.
This is out of the way. Who cares about the TV, Charlotte?
I'm sure
They're gonna be outside doing chores.
Well, I do. I want to keep my sanity because I don't know.
And then there's your 2 beds right there. Mm.
I guess you could choose.
All right, so that's the 413. Charlotte, what do you think? Thumbs up or thumbs down?
I think this is our model. Plenty of space.
Cool.
Couple kids could squish together.